Ayan, mega love shoutout at mega love happy birthday sa'yo, si GLC. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana ay lahat ng mga wishes mo ay matutupad sa lahat ng mga prayers mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka dyan lagi at salamat sa iyong friendships.
Hi Sis JLC. Sis JLC 140. Happy birthday. Have a good health. Na marami ka pang birthday advocating sa'yo. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sister Jackie, JLC 143. Happy birthday. Hope you will have a blast on your special day. Cheers to your another trip to the sun. Happy Cake Day, JLC 143. God bless you more and more and more. Again, happy birthday. Yun lang.
Hi, hello everyone. Hello Sis Chelsea. May babatiin tayo ngayon no mga palangga. Kay Sis Chelsea 143 channel. Hello sis, happy birthday sis. Wala na ako ibang masabi no. Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan, good health always, and more blessings to come. And sana masaya ka palagi kasama yung pamilya mo at sa work mo. Mag-ingat-ingat lang, and thank you na until now kahit wala na yung KTS pero andito pa rin tayo, andyan ka pa rin nagsuporta sa amin bilang admin namin. Hindi mo pa rin kami pinabayaan at yun lang, maraming salamat sa iyo and happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday darating. Yun na, ingat lang palagi talaga sa trabaho, sa health, and thank you. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Sis JLC, happy birthday. May you have all the love and happiness that you deserve and continue to be an inspiration to everyone. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyong support. Happy birthday sis. Enjoy your day. Ayan, enjoy mo din yung view. Nandito ako sa Dolomite Beach sa may Manila Bay. Ayan. Dito na ako magbibigay ng greetings. Happy birthday sis. Enjoy.
Hello Mami Jackie. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health and lagi ka pong mag-iingat dyan. Wish you all the luck and happy birthday. God bless you.